unyo ay kaburok.
The Khasi Students' Union Nehu unit hosted a successful Khasi General Freshers meet themed "I will build my country with responsibility and determination." This event inspired patriotism and commitment among attendees. The occasion was marked by the swearing-in ceremony for newly elected office bearers for the 2024-25. An award ceremony also honored two outstanding students and PhD graduates for their exceptional academic achievements, encouraging excellence and motivating others. Renowned guest Samuel B. Jerwa, chairman of the Northeast Students Organization, and Lombok Starwell Marngar, president of the KSU, shared valuable guidance and insights.
Tongga jeki samlak puli ki jeki indai il haptur il haple
ni habar penting kenal bagilah menyadon berkibai panggilan yang beliau dari habar penting kenal bagilong try ilong kenrak ni try pulau ibaim ibasar belayo ya kan iba indo basiap no blay ni balai ni indo basiap lalu dipor pulau mak lalu dipor lain kumjoro apa sulban Nehu la benda kibai panggilan beliau buat pulih lagi kibai selang ni waktu beliau lagi bacalah besar ni Meghalaya Ndrei maka sopo ngapan penting kenal bagilong try ni ya kan iba sulban